Asked a coworker who was once a member of the aforementioned Crips about how to make a car bomb, and she instructed him. He always did love blowing things up. When I was 13, we bonded over crumbling up the old colored sparklers into powder. I don't think they make the colored ones anymore, but they burned hotter. Funneling the powder into a spent CO2 cartridge, using another sparkler as a fuse, and making bombs powerful enough to blow up those old metal milk cans that hold a few gallons. It was the 4th of July. Anyway, Sis says it was some sort of Molotov cocktail stuffed into the tailpipe, but I'm not sure how that would work. My idea of a Molotov cocktail is a 750ml sized bottle, like a wine bottle or a fifth of booze, which would not fit into the tailpipe of a 4-cylinder Porsche, I wouldn't think. I'm guessing the diameter is no more than 2 inches, not big enough to fit such a bottle. Maybe he used a smaller bottle, or simply a smaller container of some kind, not a bottle, filled with something very ignitable.